Hello friends, welcome to my channel, a channel for learning simple coding. If you find this video to be helpful, please like, share and subscribe my channel. In previous video, we have learned about dynamic routes. In this video, we are going to explain how to create nested dynamic routes. So you see that in the previous example, we have generated this dynamic routes. Anything you pass here like this, that information will come here. That means dynamically we are generating a routes. Now we are trying to generate a routes like this, means dynamically we pass this. Under this dynamically I pass product ID, maybe product 1, product 2, product 3, like this, anything which I can display here like this. Right now it is not working because we do not have any nested dynamic routing, and I can say here product info like this, p info. So we do not have any type of information. Again we will have 404, means this is dynamic routes, and under this I want to create nested dynamic routes. So how to create this? So here we have p name. So under this p name I create one more nested routes, and here I say under the bracket p info. Remember that anything you can give any name, it may be anything. Just for example, I am using here p info. You can say PID or anything, whatever you want to display. Under that I create one more web page. I say page.tsx, and here I say RAFCE, and under this same type of information I copy here, remember, and I paste here. No problem at all. Same we have to read param also here. So I say params, remember, and I have to create data types also. So I say type params type equal to, and here I can say params, and under that we have p info, remember, that is of string type, that we have to specify, and here I say param type like this, and here is we have p name. So here I can have p info as a variable because we have created p info, and I create destructuring also. I say p info equal to params, nothing special. Same I have explained you in the previous video also, but I am doing it again just to memorize you. You see that such kind of thing we have to put, and here I say nested dynamic route, remember. Now if you go there and you will display, you see p name, p info is coming here, and if I say p100 PID 100, suppose like this, so we have this also, remember, and this is coming under 300. If I say here 400, remember, that means it is a dynamic routing, but under the 400 if I say PID 400, remember, info I want to display, so under this I have this. So this is the nested dynamic route. Now question rise, can we read this information also, the previous route, remember that, can we read this information previous, what is the previous route, because on the basis of this we can display information inside this nested route. So can we display this? Yes, we can display this also. Remember that here we have to increase the value, that I say p name is also of string type, remember, and here we have to specify that we have to read p name also like this, and here I say for your reference, so I say dynamic route is, we display p name here like this, and you say, and we say p name here, and we say that nested routes is like this, and I can remove this also, no need of this. You see dynamic, dynamic route is this, nested route is this. Go there in a page, you see dynamic routes is 400 and nested route is PID 400. Same if I change something else, suppose I say here product 20, this one. So under this we have a nested route, this is dynamic routing, single one, product 20 under the product. Now if I say nested dynamic routing, so I say p20 for example, so I say like this. So you see that product is 20, this is my dynamic route. Under this we have a nested dynamic route that is called p20. So on the basis of these two information, product name as a dynamic route and P20 as a nested dynamic routes, you can make your conditional statements, and on the basis of these statements you can fetch information from database and show data on this page accordingly. I'm just explaining you how to create nested dynamic routes in this video. I think you understand now dynamic routing, nested dynamic routing. But here problem is, if I want to create one more nested dynamic route under this like this, so it will generate again error. You see that? So how I can create such kind of dynamic routes in which I can create any number of nested dynamic routing? That we are going to learn in next video. Remember that here is limited because I have physically created this dynamic route p name. Under that I have created p info. So 2 is there, dynamic routing. Under this one we have nested routing. But if we want to go more nested inside this, if we want to go more under P20, P12, then under that one more information we want to display. So how we can do this? Because every time we have to create here in this condition a static type of folder under this brackets. So now in next video we are going to learn how we can manage any number of nested routing under a particular dynamic routing. Remember that we are going to understand in next video. So if you like this video, please do subscribe. Thank you for watching this video.